Hi guys, how are you? Welcome to my channel. I would like to talk something, no? Why C language is still relevant today? I know many people will say C language is very obsolete, very old. But until now, 2026, C programming language is still relevant into this computing. Why I'm saying that? Majority of the operating systems like Linux, macOS, and or even Windows 11 are still written in C language. Majority of embedded systems are written in C or derivative by in C like in Arduino. And there are still many applications of C that are still being used both in the industry and other fields. So I can say that C will stay with us, I think, forever because of its portability and then fast in terms of execution. It only generates a small size of executable file. C language is also being taught in schools, not only here in the Philippines, but also other parts of the world. And majority of the compilers that we can find from the internet are free. So there's no excuse not to study C. Majority of the schools that I have known here in the Philippines uh, uses Java or Python in teaching C++ for teaching computer fundamentals, but some schools or departments are still teaching C in their curriculum, especially in the engineering. So for me, if you are new with programming, try to explore C. Once you learn C language, your uh, knowledge in C can be adapted on other programming language like Java, C++, PHP, C Sharp, because those programming language that I have mentioned is based on C language. So that's it guys. No, I hope that you have learned in our video for today. Please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Until then, this is your friend Jake. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.